again I am back with my little nephew. This is Ogen. If you don't already know him, then please follow him on Instagram. His account will be somewhere here. Alright, so today we have a holiday gift ideas video for you guys. And I think it's always like so confusing, right? When you want to gift someone something and you don't actually get any idea what to give. So that's when I think this video is going to come really handy. So the first gift idea to give to your loved ones is ta-da! Plants are, I think, one of the best gifts to give anyone. So if someone is not a huge plant lover, then you can give them succulents and cactuses like this. They make a very good home decor. Or you can also give a snake plant. Also, spider plants are air purifying plants, so it's very nice to keep them in your bedroom. Or you can also give them a jade plant. Now look at that, it looks super pretty. So number 2, we've got our ta-da! Planters. So planters are again, I think, another very nice gift items to give to your loved ones, and I have been absolutely loving these jute planters. I mean, they give such an earthy feel to any home, and they come in so many different sizes. As you can see, I also have them in my background. I've got tons of them on Amazon. If you're interested, I'll leave the link down in the description box. So yeah, if you just have a basic pot like this, you can just put it inside your planter. And look at that. Any plant looks so nice with the planter, right? Again,
it's so beautiful.
Or I got another planter from Amazon. This is a bamboo planter, and in this one you can put in hanging plants. It looks really nice. So the next item, I think again is very excited about this one.
I'm so excited, guys.
So you want to show it to them?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Ta-da!
Oh, black mug.
So I'm sure you all are wondering, what is this, like a plain black mug? But in the winters we tend to drink a lot of hot beverages, water. So yeah, let's show them a magic.
Yeah.
Ta-da! The minute you pour in hot water, as you can see, the color changes. So this is basically a color changing mug. And the first time we saw it, we were so excited, right? Ugin was like, woo! We couldn't believe our eyes. We had never seen anything like this.
And the water should be super hot. It should be boiling hot. Yes. It'll change like that.
It'll change like instantly. And if you're from Sikkim, then you can find these at Kelly's
Cafe
Gangtok. Or if you want to purchase this online, then I've seen some of these on Amazon, and you can also get your own pictures on the mug. So it's fully customizable. So yeah, I'll leave a link down in the description box if you're interested. Alright guys, so the next idea we've got is ta-da! So this is basically
a cute little Buddha.
Yeah, this is something I got on Amazon. And when I saw this, I found it super cute. Like, I simply couldn't resist buying it, and it is also very affordable. So this comes for, I think, less than 200 or 300 bucks, and it also comes with a pack of 10 incense, and these are back-flowing incense.
Yeah.
So
it goes like a waterfall when we.
Yes. So I think we're going to light it and show them, right?
Yeah.
So as you can see, the incense throws the smoke backwards, and it looks super pretty, like a waterfall.
Yeah, it looks like water. When I saw it first time, I thought it was water.
Yeah. Yeah, Ugin also really enjoys this, right? He really loves it. So yeah, it's very calming, very nice home decor that you can give to your loved ones. So another very cool idea is to make something for your loved ones with your own hands. I think that's going to be so valuable. So the next gift item is ta-da! So you can like knit something for your loved ones, do a crochet or knit or anything like that.
And she knitted.
And yeah, I have something for Ugin. So I'm knitting this. It's still in process. As you can see, I haven't finished it. So it's a very Christmassy themed muffler. And Ugin chose this thread himself. Do you like it, Ugin?
Yeah, I like it. It's so Christmassy. Like all the Christmas colors are there. Like snow is white and green the tree, and the red, like the
Santa Claus.
Yeah, the Santa Claus is red.
Yeah. So this is another thing I knit for my other nephew. This is basically a neck warmer, and yeah, you can. Let's do a demo on Ugin. So you can wear it like this, and it
The
keeps
way-
your
like
neck
this.
very warm. So number 2, you can do this, and it will keep your ears and your head warm. You look so cute with this. And then you can also wear it
like this.
like this, like a cap.
Cap. Hat and hat.
Okay, so this is something that comes very handy, especially during the winters. And if you're not into knitting, then you can go ahead and check out this page on Instagram. So this is another local page from Sikkim, and they deliver all over India. And as you can see, they make some amazing designed vintage cardigans and sweaters. And you can also, like, ask them to make something according to your own choice. So it's customizable as well. So the next gift item that you can give to your loved ones is so exciting. Ugen is so excited to show it to you guys. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Ta-da! So this is the Baker's Goodie Box, and this is a Baker's subscription box. I think it's one of the first of its kind in India. I'm not sure, but yeah, basically it's a subscription box that you can subscribe to. You can just get for 1 month, or you can get it for 3 to 6 months as well. So you never know what you're going to get inside these boxes. So it's like a mystery box. Ugen has been eyeing this box for the past 2 days. He's like dying to open it, so I think we're going to open it right now in this video. And also not to forget the Baker's Goodie Box. They have been kind enough to give my followers a 10% discount off your order. So if you're interested, you can use my coupon code right here, and yeah, get yourself a mystery box. Oh my god, wow.
God,
That looks so cute.
the decoration was so cute.
Wow. Okay, so we have got the chocolate chip cookies. That looks so nice.
So nice.
We have a rolling pin, and look at that, guys.
Wow.
It looks so cute. Very, very vintage.
So cute.
You like
Yes.
it? Wow, we have some like decorations for our cookie, and this is all in the Christmas theme. We've got our choco chips for the cookies, the flour mix.
And we have this something inside the water. The one water is there.
This is hazelnut extract. So we've got a free sample of hazelnut extract.
This we can just stick in our fridge. It's like stickable. It's a magnet.
So I think this is a fridge magnet according to Ugen.
So guys, wow, we have a
Oh wow, that's an apron.
apron. And it matches also with the rolling
Yeah,
pin.
both of them look so
Yeah.
like vintage. Lastly, we
We
have
have this cute Santa.
cute little Santa.
Little Santa.
What is this thing called? You can keep
Whenever
it.
it's hot, the things
to
you
keep
can
something
hold,
hot.
and you can keep it also.
So guys, you can see, right? Kids are going to love this box.
Yeah, it's
And
so
also,
nice.
if you're a beginner in baking, I think you're really going to
And
enjoy
I'm
this box.
obsessed with the whole box. It is so cute.
The next item we've got is
like
ta-da!
candles.
So yeah, these are basically scented candles, and during the winters, I absolutely enjoy burning my scented candles. You like them as well?
Yeah, this smells so
Yeah,
nice.
you can open it.
It smells like bubble gum.
Bubblegum! This is actually a cinnamon flavored exotic spice candle which I got from Miniso, and even this one is from Miniso. Miniso does like very
Such a
affordable
nice-
candles. You can get a small one or you can get a big one.
One like this.
And I really like the fact that it comes with three
Three candles,
wicks, so it burns like evenly.
Alright guys, so the next gift which you can give it to your loved ones are perfumes.
Ta-da!
Wow, I think so everybody will wear perfumes in the winter, because like I like to wear perfumes in winter, in
Oh my
summer,
God.
in everywhere.
And you should see how this guy uses his mom's perfume. Like he just sprays like 10 to 15 times all over his body. He's obsessed with perfumes.
I'm obsessed.
And same goes for me as well. I love perfumes. I think everybody loves perfumes, right?
Yeah. Everybody
So you
loves
can go
perfume.
ahead and give them like high-end perfumes like this one. This one is by Chanel. I love this. This is the Coco Mademoiselle,
And this is
then you can also go for Tom
Ford. Wow,
This one is
Tom Ford is the best one.
super sexy. It's very what to say, it's like such a perfect scent for the winters. It's a very warm fragrance.
And
or
it's
you
from,
can also
Mumuso.
and Miniso perfumes. I mean, they are super
They are
affordable.
cute ones.
Yeah, and they are like very
Affordable.
nice to give
Yeah.
to teenagers and to kids.
And they are so cute and like the smell is really cute.
Yeah, they love the Miniso and Mumuso perfumes, and even Zara has these kind of
Yeah.
very affordable perfumes.
I had one from Zara. It finished.
Yeah, who gave it to you?
My mother.
Oh.
The next item we have is
Ta-da! So these are like handmade vases and planters. So I got these from one of my cousins. She recently started making her own planters at home, and these are all recycled products. So she makes all of these planters using
newspaper.
yes, and cardboards, boxes and toilet paper rolls. So
Yeah.
she uses everything that we usually throw in our dustbins. Like even these flowers, she has made it herself with what did she use? Wax.
Yeah, wax.
So she used
Wax.
wax to make these cherry blossoms. And this one
This one is like
is the tray, bottom tray for your
Yeah.
planter. So you can either keep your pots on top of this,
this.
or you can also keep your vases or planters on top of this, and it looks really
really
nice.
awesome.
Yeah, if you are interested, you can definitely order from her. She makes some amazing planters. You can customize your planters and tell her what colors you want, and she will make it according to your choice. So the next item is something that I personally really enjoy, especially during the winters. Okay, tell them how much tea I drink throughout the day.
At least 20 more.
20 mugs.
Of course, I always see you drinking teas.
Yeah, so I'm drinking like hot water or hot beverages throughout the day in the winter time, and I love my herbal teas. So yeah, you can give these as gifts as well. I showed them in my latest Amazon haul as well.
This is like lemongrass tea. This one, and this is lemon balm tea.
And this is the lavender one, and this is the hibiscus tea. So these are all herbal teas, so they don't have caffeine in them.
Yeah.
So you can just add them to your hot water, and it has a lot of health benefits, and it smells really nice. It's kind of an aromatherapy with health benefits included. So yeah, they are very, very relaxing, and you can drink them in the night time as well.
The next item we have is so useful. I think in the whole Gangtok, everybody has to wear this.
Only in Gangtok.
In like whole world. In whole world, like, because in some places they don't wear it nowadays.
Yeah, and that's bad. No, you have to wear it. So I'm sure you have already guessed what we're about to show. 1, 2, 3, ta-da! Yeah, these ones are by the brand called Fabric Pandit, and I'm not sponsored by them, but I absolutely love these masks. Like, they are cotton masks. They are very, very breathable. Why don't you show a demo again?
Okay.
And as you can see, the mask is so big, so it covers like almost all of your face,
Yeah.
which I really like.
And it doesn't stick to your face. If like it's like her kind of girl who does makeup a lot, and like
Her kind of girl.
like girl like her, like it doesn't stick to your face a lot.
And you also wear, right, lip balms.
Yeah, lip balms and lip glosses. And when you wear it full 8 hours, like you on other masks you get the line. No, in this mask you don't get any lines anywhere.
Yeah, it's not
Any
like too
lines,
tight.
yeah.
It's very comfortable.
It's really comfortable.
So yeah, all of the links will be down in the description.
And when you wear that mask also, it like if you wear it for 24 hours total, the mask when you sleep also, then only like the water.
you get sweat.
Yeah, because in other masks, if we talk like if we talk like 1 minute also, so sweat comes, so much skin, so much sweat. In this, it doesn't come like hardly.
Oh, yeah, it's very, very breathable,
Yeah,
not the fabric.
breathable.
Oh my god, and when did you try wearing a mask for 24 hours again? You wear it while sleeping also?
No. And then next item is like I like those. I like those so much. That was in Christmas to decorate the tree or the house or the cafe, whatever it is. So
The next gift item is
ta-da!
Fairy lights.
Fairy lights.
And I have some at the back also, as you can see. That one is also really nice. It's a very pretty geometric one.
And
Or you can gift these kind of lights which comes with the battery in it, so you don't have to plug it in, right? You can use this anywhere. So let's switch it on.
Let's switch it on like this, and it got on.
Ooh, it's bright, so you can't actually see it, but it's a very beautiful copper fairy lights.
Let's zoom, then I think they can see a little bit. As you can see.
So yeah, fairy lights, it just gives the whole vibe of a holiday feel, right?
If you don't do anything also, you can just put the fairy lights and it will look awesome.
Instantly you get the Christmassy holiday vibe.
Feeling.
And lastly, we have 2 more gift ideas, and one is pickles. I mean, I love pickles.
I'm obsessed with pickles.
He's a kid, but he eats so much of pickles, like more than me.
Pickles are so yummy.
And yeah, nowadays you get so many different types of pickles, especially here in Sikkim. We have a lot of very good local brands, like I'm going to list some of the brands here. You can see the pictures. You get meat pickles, chili pickles, bamboo shoot pickles. You know, I think everybody enjoys pickles.
Yeah, everybody.
So you can give pickles. And the next one is handmade jewelry. So again, we have a lot of local brands who are making amazing jewelry. So I think it's very creative, very nice of them to come up with something like that.
Guys.
So yeah, you can always shop handmade jewelries in these Instagram pages. So yeah, I think it's always a very good idea to support your local businesses, because it's just not a gift for your loved one, but you will also be helping
your local businesses.
Yes. Before I go, I wanted to give this to my nephew, Zidane. So Zidane, you want to try your gift?
Yeah, sure.
Do you like it?
Yeah, good.
So this is Zidane, guys, and he's also on Instagram if you're wondering.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks nice. I really like the color. Do you like it?
Yeah.
It matches.
Yeah?
It matches with your tracksuit.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
So yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video.
If you did enjoy it, please like the video and please smash the subscribe button, and please press in the bell icon if you want to know our new updates.
Oh, okay. And also don't forget to follow this guy on Instagram. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below and let us know your gift ideas as well. So yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!